Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. In 109, agency size comes up as well as types of agencies. Specifically, when Jim Hobart, the agency head of McCann Erickson, tries to hire Don away from the quote unquote mom and pop agency, which has obvious limitations. Jim compares Don's agency to the farm leagues of baseball, while his agency is Yankee Stadium. One statement that stands out is when Don finally takes offense to all of Jim's degrading comments about the small size of Sterling Cooper, and Don just says, "Small is bad." In Kyle's video lecture 9 regarding types of advertising agencies, Kyle says smaller agencies offer smaller collaborative teams that can work more easily together, and this can be a good thing.